Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you an easy and simple way on how to make macaroni and cheese. You're only going to need 3 ingredients. First ingredient was 2 cups of shredded cheese, and or whatever cheese you prefer. 4 cups of Elba macaroni, or any macaroni, and 5 cups of milk. And for the materials, you're going to need a large saucepan and a wooden spoon. This recipe can serve up to like 4 to 5 people, so yeah. So let's start. So start by putting your stove on medium, preheating it to medium. Don't put it on high because this can cause the milk to burn and that wouldn't taste good. So now just put on all your milk into the saucepan. And now for about a few minutes just let it sit and start stirring the milk, because if you don't stir it can cause the milk to like stick to the pan and burn. So you have to stir, just occasionally stir, and just do this for like a few minutes till it looks like it's boiling.
Should I turn off?
So I'm just gonna leave it for about a few minutes and I'll get back to you once it started boiling. Alright guys, it has started simmering, so now it's time. We put the pasta in. And now just continue what you were doing and stir, and then cook it for about, just spread it out a little bit. Then cook it for, let's say, 8 to 10 minutes. And you can take a little bite before it finishes. And then once it finishes, you can turn off the heat, transfer it to another stove, then you put some cheese on top and stir it in, and that you'll have your macaroni ready. So I'll be back once this is ready. Okay guys, it took about like 10 minutes to cook, and I kind of lowered the heat down for the last like 3 minutes because I didn't want the milk to burn. So now I'm going to turn off the heat completely, grab my little mitts so I don't burn myself, and put it on another stove. Now once you've done that, now it's time to add the cheese so you can actually make the sauce complete. Put in the cheese and then you start stirring. Just keep stirring until it completely melts. It's a little bit hard because just keep stirring. Okay. As you can see, it's slowly melting. I can already tell this is going to be really tasty. Just keep stirring. And then after this, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Almost done. Gonna just stir it for about a few more seconds so we can get the cheese distributed evenly everywhere.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna give it like 5 more seconds.
Yes.
Alright. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Like a big pinch of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Add a big pinch of salt for taste so it doesn't taste bland. Now just mix it in a little bit. It's almost done. Okay, I think I've stirred enough. Now I'm gonna have a little bit of a taste. Let me grab a spoon really quick. It's gonna be really hot. So now I'm gonna taste and see how it tastes. Tastes good. Just needs a little bit more salt and it's perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time.